Hello. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to set a password in Windows 10 on a laptop or computer, and how to change the password. And so, let's start. Click the Start button. Then, Settings. In this window click, Accounts. Please note, this must be a local account. There must be other steps to change the password for a Microsoft account. Now click Login Options. And here click Password. Now click Add. In this window, you need to enter a new password. Then enter the password again. At the bottom, you need to enter a password hint if you forget your password. Next, the password has been created. Click Finish. Let's check how it works, and restart the computer. Yes, everything is in order. A window has opened where you need to enter the password to enter the operating system. The computer is protected. Now I will show you how you can change your password. Click the Start button. Then, Settings. In this window click Accounts. Now click Login Options. And here click Password. Click here, Change. And in this window you need to enter your current password. Next, in this window, you need to enter a new password. Then enter the password again. At the bottom, you need to enter a password hint if you forget your password. Next, a new password has been created. Click Finish. I hope that what I have told you will be interesting for you and will be able to help you. If you find it helpful, please share my video with anyone. Write me a comment. I will answer all your questions and try to help you in the future. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Good luck.